Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how baking soda and water can help heal your body. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural and inexpensive ingredient that can be found in almost every household. It has been used for decades to cure various ailments and is known for its many health benefits. One of the most common uses of baking soda is for digestive issues. Drinking a glass of water with a teaspoon of baking soda can help relieve heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. Baking soda works by neutralizing the stomach acid that causes these uncomfortable symptoms. Baking soda can also be used as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are caused by an imbalance of bacteria in the urinary tract, and baking soda can help restore that balance. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it a few times a day until the symptoms subside. Another surprising use of baking soda is for itchy skin. Itchy skin can be caused by a variety of factors, including bug bites, sunburns, and allergies. Mixing baking soda with water to create a paste and applying it to the affected area can provide relief and reduce inflammation. Baking soda can also be used as a natural deodorant. It works by neutralizing the odor-causing bacteria on your skin. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to your underarms. Not only is it effective, but it's also much cheaper than store-bought deodorants. So there you have it. Baking soda and water are a powerful combination that can help heal your body in so many ways. From digestive issues to itchy skin, baking soda is a versatile and natural remedy that everyone should have in their homes. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Also check out the link in the description for more health and diet ideas. Thanks for watching.